Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp login not available right now error problem on Android phone? This error means WhatsApp has detected too many attempts or unusual activity. You can fix this problem by following some steps. So let's see the steps. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly, and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode and then go to Play Store. Update your WhatsApp in latest version, search WhatsApp, and then update your WhatsApp in latest version. After update your WhatsApp, now go to settings, go to settings option. Now scroll down, go to apps or apps management option. Now find WhatsApp from the app list. Click on WhatsApp. Now go to storage option. Click on clear cache. Don't click on clear data. Now restart your device and open WhatsApp. Now try to log in. Select your country correctly and then enter your phone number correctly. Now see account login successfully. If this method not working for you, then follow next step. Go to Play Store and then search WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, scroll down, and here you can see app support option. Just click on this option and then click on support mail. Here include your WhatsApp number with country code. Explain your issue and send your report to WhatsApp support. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.